Hello guys, today we work with a book, page number 125, page 125, and we have to complete the patterns, okay? So we have to draw like this. We have a rose, rose, flamingo, 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 and a bird. Then we have to continue the pattern, okay? We need to complete these three, one, two, and three. That way we can finish with our work. After that, we practice our numbers, but the numbers like 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Vamos contando de 10 en 10, 10 by 10, para ir practicando estos numeritos, ¿ok? And at the end, we play with our memory game, so that's what we do today in today's class. Entonces, vamos a completar este trabajo. Los que no asistieron, ya saben, remember, aquí les dejo el video, traten de hacerlo y yo les reviso en clase o me lo pueden mandar por Classroom, ok? You can send the work by Classroom or to my WhatsApp, ok? Entonces, nos vemos el día de mañana, tomorrow Friday. See you later, guys. Have a great day. Bye, bye.